Hey, this is Kendra. This is Christmas. So Merry Christmas. Well, for Christmas, I got an iPod Shuffle. Look how small this cord is. Yeah. And I got a laptop, which I'm playing on right now, but yeah. So pretty awesome, right? Oh, and I got a Snuggie. Plus more, but I got this outfit I'm wearing right now. It's American Girl. Probably cost like a fortune, but... And I got this chapstick. Ew. And I got a bunch of DSi games and stuff. Yeah. And yeah. I got like a webkins and stuff. I barely even play on webkins anymore. I mean, I don't even like webkins really. So, my cell phone, I've had it, but getting a new one. Like tomorrow or the next day. But, yeah. Pretty cool. My laptop is a mini laptop. It's like that big. That small. It's like so cool. I'm probably playing on it right now. And I was like chatting, like video chatting with my best friend. I'm like, hi. She's like, hi. I'm like, hi. She's like, oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm so glad. So, bye. Merry Christmas.